In this video, we're going to explore the ridiculous money-making potential of ChatGPT and OpenAI. If you've ever tried using ChatGPT to write a blog post or script a video, you know it can be pretty useful. But let me tell you, that's just the tip of the iceberg. I found 3 real companies using ChatGPT and OpenAI to make millions, and I'm going to show you how they're doing it in this video. I'll even discuss how you can invest in these companies and ride the AI wave to make big money. So grab some popcorn and get ready to learn about how businesses are using ChatGPT and OpenAI to make a fortune. Okay, so let's break it down. These companies are making millions with ChatGPT and OpenAI by using a special tool called an API. Picture an API like a key that unlocks a secret door to a computer program or service. Anybody, that's right, even you, can use this key to access the power of ChatGPT and OpenAI. But these companies aren't just using the ChatGPT you and I use, they're using a more powerful version called GPT-3. It's like the supercharged version of ChatGPT, and they're tweaking it by 1% to fit their specific needs by training it with their own data. Imagine OpenAI's GPT-3 as the foundation, and these companies are building on top of that base layer. Don't let this technical stuff scare you off. With a little bit of learning, you'll be able to quickly get up to speed and start using this tool to its full potential. Plus, you can even ask ChatGPT to walk you through it step by step. You might be thinking, why don't they just build their own ChatGPT? It's because it's expensive and requires special software and hardware. It's a bit like asking, why doesn't Instagram just build their own iPhone? It's just not necessary. They can leverage what's already there. Now let's take a look at some specific examples of companies that are using ChatGPT and OpenAI to make millions. First up is Do Not Pay. They call themselves the world's first robot lawyer. Their ChatGPT-powered chatbot can help you contest parking tickets, get refunds from airlines, or even talk to companies like Comcast and negotiate bills using GPT technology. The CEO, Joshua Browder, says the law is like code and language, so it's the perfect fit for AI. Oh yeah, and get this, the CEO even said on Twitter that they'll pay someone $1 million to wear AirPods and let the robot lawyer argue their case in the Supreme Court. They got a plan where the defendants wear these earpieces with Bluetooth and AI whispers instructions on what to say in the courtroom. Do Not Pay is worth $210 million, and they've got big names like Andreessen Horowitz backing them. I bet you could totally use the same idea for laws in your country or even for other bureaucratic stuff like getting planning permission to build a house. It's definitely worth exploring and finding out more about it. What do you think? Okay, so next up is Jasper.ai. It's an AI copywriting and content generator assistant that helps you create content for your blog, social media, website, and more. I'll put a link in the description if you want to try it out for free. They just got a ton of money in a funding round, like $125 million, and they're valued at $1.5 billion. Crazy, right? It's like ChatGPT, but a bit more refined and specific. But you know what? I bet you could totally use the same idea and make a tool for your language or even for a specific use case, like writing speeches. It's definitely worth thinking about. All right, and last but not least, there's Replica. It's an AI-powered mental health app that acts like a good friend who's always willing to listen and understand how you feel. It's helped a lot of people improve their mental well-being since it launched, and they've even raised over $11 million. Imagine using ChatGPT to build a similar business. Maybe you could create a virtual therapy chatbot or a personalized mental health journal app. The possibilities are endless, really. So can you invest in these AI companies? Unfortunately, all of these companies are currently private, but there are still ways to get a slice of the action. Here's an idea. You could invest in Microsoft. It put $1 billion into OpenAI, and they're thinking about investing more. Since it's a publicly traded stock, anyone can buy it. So if you're looking to make some serious cash by riding the AI wave, it's definitely worth looking into. If you're looking for a way to make money with ChatGPT without any prior skills or investment required, click this video and check out my other content. Thanks for watching.